Hello guys, so this is a Huawei P Smart Z phone. It's a nice phone, and unfortunately the front camera is not working. The reason is probably the cable is damaged, and that's why it doesn't pop out, because I can see that the camera has, even without light, it shows some kind of images. So I bought a replacement camera from the internet, and I'm gonna try to replace it. Usually I go very slow with my explanations so that everybody can understand it and can do it on their own. As I'm showing you right now, these are the places where you need to pass it first with the heater gun. The heater gun will will soften the glue that is inside, that is holding the back cover. You're gonna pass it on these sides, and after you pass it, then you can take one knife. You can take a knife, or you can take some plastic that is very sharp. Me, I have some special tools to do this, and after I pass it with the heat gun, I try gently to uncover, to take out the cover. Don't forget, before you take out, before you start the heat gun, make sure you turn off the phone and you take out the SIM card and the memory card, and then let's give it a go. So I already passed with the heater gun around the corners. I soften up the glue, and I pass around the corners also with a sharp tool. And now it's time to remove the back cover. So after I remove it, I will show you what to do next. And this is what it is. You need to take out this one and this one first. It's very simple. This one goes like this. Put it back, and this is out. So when you are here, you need to remove all of these screws. 1, 2, 3. There are 11. Also, you need to pay attention to this one here, because here it's also a screw, but it's hidden. So 11 screws. So now I have removed all the screws. We can slowly take out this part, and here first we need to take out this is from the, so here we need to take out this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. You just pull it up. Also, don't forget to take out this little piece. Okay. If you like, you can take out these two cameras, but because they are working, I'm not gonna touch them. So you can take out this one if you like. It's not necessary for the things that I'm going to do. Before you start, before you take out this board, there is one screw in here. You need to take out that one, because that one is holding this. So before you continue, you can take out this one. And you can take out this piece. As you can see, this is the front camera and it's broken, so this is what we need to replace. Before we take it out, we need to unscrew the motor that is pulling it up and down, and then we can take out the camera. So you can take out these ones, but it's not necessary. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and if you look closely here under the cable, it's 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the last one, 6. So you need to let me unscrew it, and then I'll show you what's next. So I take out all of them except this one here. As you can see, before you take out the motor, you need to open this one here. So try to just pull it a little bit so it will come out. There it is. And now you can see that this thing is moving. Once you open it, you will see that here, in some cases, in the original casing, it will be black tape. So you need to take out the black tape, or you can just, with the screw, you can just go through the tape. So once you remove this one, this little piece, then you can take out the camera. You can take it out from here. This is the camera. As I show you already, it was broken. So now we need to put the new one back. You can do the same as you wish. You can go from this side if you want. Okay. So now, to put everything back, everything goes with the opposite order. First, we need to put this small screw back, like this. And we screw it back. This one it's a little bit tricky place, so be careful. It's better if you do it like this. So that it has the support of the camera. Once it's like that, it's okay. Second part is this. This thing needs to go back, like this. Make sure you put this one here. Make sure, as you can see, this one goes inside the plastic. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one you will do it when you put the other piece. So right now it's just 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So I screw them back in, all of them. Then this one I forget to take it out. This is the one for the old connection cable of the camera, and we put them back slowly. We go from this side and make sure you check, make sure that this one is like this, so nice and slow. Don't forget this cable. So now you can put them back in. Everything goes back at its place. Then we go with this. This is actually the holder. It's gonna push back every time the camera opens, and that is probably the reason why the camera breaks every time it goes back and forth. It's doing something to the cables, and the lifespan of the cables will decrease after each time. So now it's okay. See, every time it goes back and forth, it will affect on the lifespan of the cables. Now we have to do, this one has to go back, this is here, and we do this before we put this one back. So let's see if I can manage to do it properly. Now that we put all of this back together, it's coming this one. It goes like this, always. Just like that. And then we have to put back all the rest of the screws. After I put them back, I'll let you know what to do next. So I put back the screws, and then we need to attach this one here. It's a little bit tricky. Try to do it like this, so you can make it a little bit more comfortable for you. Make sure this one is open, this one here, and then it goes smoothly from the yellow side, from the bright side, from the dark side not. So this side needs to go in here like this, nice and gentle, and then close it. So now see it's good. You put the tape back like from the factory, and there you go. The camera is changed. All you have to do now is you need to put some glue back together, if you have some glue. I bought something, this is a special black glue for this one, and you have to put it there. In case you have some old glue left, make sure you clean it before you put the new one, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much.